Hey you guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So it's currently 11:30 p.m. and I want to make my chocolate chip cookie dough so that I can chill it overnight and bake it tomorrow. So I want to show you guys how I make my classic chocolate chip cookies because before I migrate here in America, I actually have a small bake shop or small business, online business, where basically I just bake and sell homemade pastries like chocolate chip cookies, matcha cookies, oatmeal cookies, cheesecakes, banana bread, muffins, and a lot more. So if you guys want to check it out at the Imperial Oven on Instagram and the Imperial Oven on Facebook. So, without further ado, let's start baking. Here are the ingredients for our chocolate chip cookies. Of course, we need butter, brown sugar, of course, our chocolate chips, baking soda, salt, 2 eggs, actually 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, vanilla extract, cornstarch, of course, all-purpose flour, and we need our measuring cups, spatula, measuring spoons, and bowl. So of course guys, you want to mix first your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. So we're gonna do that. Okay. So actually you need to sift this, but since I don't have a sifter or a strainer, I will just go ahead and put it all together in a bowl so that I'm just gonna skip that procedure. But it's recommended that you need to sift your dry ingredients first, so it will have like a better outcome. Alright, I will now put my cornstarch, and my baking soda. Alright. Okay, I will also add some salt. Okay. And then mix it all together. And then I'll just set this aside and prepare my wet ingredients. Alright guys, so now I can put my butter and sugar together and cream it until it's soft and creamy. Okay. It's up to you guys how much sugar you want to put, and if you want white sugar, it's okay. If you want brown sugar, okay lang din. If you want to mix it both white and brown sugar, it's okay. So it's totally up to you. So you just need to cream the butter and the sugar together. You can mix it by hand. You can also mix it with a mixer if you have. So I'm just gonna mix it with my spatula since I don't have a mixer here. So you just want to cream the butter and the sugar together until it's soft, smooth, and creamy. It's easy. Very easy lang siya if your butter is at room temperature. So you want your butter to be at room temperature, not melting, not super cold. It's just right, soft. So it's easy to mix and incorporate. So you want to do is you want it uniform in color, that you won't see the butter and the sugar. So yeah. It will take time, but I tell you guys, it's gonna be worth it. So, it takes a lot of patience in baking. Patience, love, effort, time. That's how it is, you know. So, this is almost done. Okay. Then after creaming, guys, when it's uniform and creamy and smooth, you can now add your egg and egg yolk. And then you can also add now your vanilla extract. Alright, and then mix it all together. Smells good. Guys, you don't wanna over mix your eggs, so you can go ahead and pour the dry ingredients with your wet mixture. So I'm gonna do it slowly. I'm gonna use a cup, and I'll just probably mix half of the dry ingredients first. And then fold it. You may want to fold it so that you won't over mix the flour. So I'm now doing the fold method, guys. So yeah, you just want to fold it like that in a circular motion. Then I'm going to add now the rest of my dry ingredients. And fold it again. So this is my classic Chewy chocolate chip cookies. And then scrape the side of the bowl so all the flour will be incorporated with our dough. Then use the fold method again. So you may want to cover all the flour, so you don't want to see the flour in your dough. So that's what you want to achieve. So keep on folding and scraping the side of the bowl. Okay. We can now add the chocolate chips. So I am using the Ghirardelli Premium Baking Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. So you can use dark chocolate, you can use semi-sweet chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever you want to use. It's okay. But I will recommend this brand, guys, Ghirardelli. This is one of the best chocolates that I've had. And it's very good also in baking, like in making cookies. Very, very good. It's highly recommended. So I'm gonna use this right now. It's up to you how much chocolate chips you want in your cookies. So I'm gonna try 1 cup first. This is a very, very good chocolate, guys. Super sarap. Promise. So I'm gonna put this 1 cup of chocolate chips first, then I'll see if I need to add more. And then mix this again using fold method. So I might add a little bit more, like half cup of chocolate chips, because I'm still not satisfied. So I'm gonna add more, maybe probably like half cup. Because the more chocolate, the better. Okay, I'll do again the fold technique, or the fold method. So you want to distribute your chocolate chip cookies or even. So this is our chocolate chip cookie dough, guys. I'm just gonna chill this overnight and I'm going to bake it tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. So I woke up pretty late today. It's currently 11:30 a.m. I slept like past 4 a.m. this morning. I can't sleep. I'm having this weird body clock going on. So I'm gonna be baking my chocolate chip cookies after filming this intro, because this afternoon I will be having my online classes. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so you may want to preheat your oven first before preparing your dough. So I'm gonna press bake, and then it's already set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to press start. So as you can see, it's now preheating. Then when it's ready, I can now pop the cookie dough in the oven and bake it for like 6 to 9 minutes. Alrighty guys, so what we need is an ice cream scooper. If you don't have one, you can use 2 spoons so that you can make these cookie balls. And then of course we need the baking tray. So I bought this yesterday at Walmart. You can line it with parchment paper or baking paper. Or if you don't have one, you can like put some butter on it so it will not stick. But since this tray is a non-stick tray, I'm not going to be doing any of that. So let's get started and I'll get my cookie dough. Alrighty guys, so here's my chilled cookie dough. Okay, I'm just gonna scoop and make like cookie balls and put it here in our tray. I think this is broken. I'm not sure. So I think the scooper, ice cream scooper is broken, guys. So I'm just gonna use 2 spoons to make cookie balls. Okay. We are being resourceful here. So you may wanna make a ball. You don't need to be like perfect in making the ball. Just like this will do. And put it there. Then make sure that your cookie ball, they are all the same in size because you want to bake it like all at the same time. So para hindi siya overcook or undercook. So yeah. So just put like a space. Social distancing. It's very important. When I was baking in the Philippines, since I'm selling the cookies, I made sure that I'm measuring the cookie dough because I want it all the same. So I have this measuring equipment. I measure the cookie dough before I bake it to make sure that everything is similar. So that's it. All right. Okay guys, so 9 minutes has passed. We are going to check our cookies. Oh, it's hot. Perfect. So this is how it's supposed to look like, guys. I'm gonna zoom it for you. So you don't want to over bake your cookies because it will still bake outside the oven because your tray is still hot. So you may want to let it cool so that your cookies will bake completely. If you touch it from outside, it's a little bit firm, not too soft, not too hard. That's when you know that you're in the right direction. So we're just gonna let this cool completely and then we're gonna taste it. So here you go guys, our chewy chocolate chip cookies. I already baked the second batch and I already tasted one earlier. So look at that perfection. Look at that melted chocolate inside. It's very chewy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So we achieved our chewy chocolate chip cookies. So let me try it again. Oh my gosh. It's so chewy. Super chewy. And it's not too sweet. The chocolate is good. Very, very good. As in, I highly recommend the Ghirardelli chocolate chips. Alrighty guys, so I just finished my online class. I was so sleepy, you guys. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!